What's up, guys? Grant with the Noble Dogs doing our very first go home lesson with the client. Now the dog knows walk at my side and sit at my side. It also knows free or free, and it also knows to sit and stay at a distance. Now what we're doing is we're transitioning those skills to the client. I'm going to show you how to do that. What we're going to see is Jasper learn to not run out the front door, as well as learning to listen to his owner's command and hold position. Oh my gosh, you have such a cute dog! You have such a cute dog! You have such a cute dog! Oh my gosh! Oh, you're doing good, boy! Jasper. Free.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, little tiger!
Jasper, come. Good job. Good job. Sit.
All right, let's do it one more time. That was way better. That was way better.
Boy, are you good?
Jasper. Right.
Let me get you. Let me get you.
Jasper, come. Jasper, come. Good job. Good job.
Here we go. How you feel, Mike?
Pretty good.
Nice. All right, ready for the walk?
Yeah, let me get the rope.
We just started our walk, and one of the things you want to do when you start your walk is get your dog to have some free time to go to the bathroom. Once your dog's gone to the bathroom, your walk's going to be a lot more enjoyable because they already have their basic needs met, so they're more likely to be attentive and patient with you. So we're going to give him some free time. Once he goes to the bathroom, we're going to get him into a structured heel and go on our walk. What we're going to be doing is stopping and clicking with the remote. You need to make sure that when the dog is doing something that is out of position, you change your body position to educate them on where they should adjust. So click. And stop. There you go. Walk a little bit. Walk. Yeah, you're fine. Walk this way. Keep clicking. And stop. Boom. There we go. There you go. And stop. Boom. And then food. We're going to be giving Jasper some free time to play and have a blast. Dogs typically think in black and white. If you work on heel too much, they're going to think they can never be free. If you have them in free for long periods of time, they're never going to think they need to be in heel. So you want to be able to break it up so that way the dog can see the gray areas that when this command is said, I can be in heel, but I'm also going to have time to be free. We're going to be working on duration sits. A lot of times people want their dog to sit, but if their dog breaks the sit, there's no real point to the sit. So it's very important that when you have a sit, that the dog will hold it until released or given another command. So we're going to be working on having your dog sit and hold the position until released. Right now what we're doing is we're teaching Jasper to listen to the come command on the first command as well as the free command on the first time. So as soon as he gets good at coming when called and holding that position, we're gonna give him freedom. When he starts to take advantage of the freedom, we're gonna tell him to come. The whole point of dog training is saying the command one time and getting the dog to respond to it. So we're bouncing back between him responding to the first command with come, as well as responding to the first command with free. Free boysy.
Jasper, come.
Yeah, like when he drifted back 2 feet, I would have clicked. Anything like click, 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 click. There we go. Remember, whenever you're using the remote collar, change something in the environment when you're clicking it. So if the dog's in front, stop and click. If the dog's to the left, go to the right and click. What if the dog goes to the right? You guessed it, you're gonna go to the left and click. If the dog is in a sit and it starts coming towards you, what are you gonna do? You're gonna walk towards the dog and click. Remember to be happy. You need to be smiling. You need to want the dog to want to be with you. So don't be afraid to bring that food back out. Don't be afraid to act a little silly and say yay. And just remember to be really excited and get the dog to want to be by you, as well as having to be by you in critical moments. So remember, have fun, change something in your environment, and make it as easy as possible for the dog to succeed. Thanks for tuning in, and send me your videos of your dog walking and healing off leash.